Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video I'm gonna show you guys how you can split screen on the PlayStation 5. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now in the PlayStation 5 and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here, as you can see guys, you're gonna find your games and applications. Here on the right you're gonna find your game library. So right here you're gonna find all of your installed games and applications. Right here you're gonna find PlayStation Plus and also PlayStation Store. Here in the top you're gonna find all of the sections such as games, media. Here you're gonna find search, settings, and lastly right here you're gonna find your profile icon. So right now, basically guys, in order to be able to split screen on the PlayStation 5, you need to download a game that supports split screen. So firstly, go to PlayStation Store, and then right here in the PlayStation Store, you're gonna find all of the sections. Right here, you're gonna find recent release, collections, sales, subscriptions. Here you can browse. Here you're gonna find search, wish lists, cards, and here you're gonna find some more sections or settings. So go ahead and click on search and then search for any game that supports split screen. There is a lot like It Takes Two or A Way Out. For example, I'm gonna search for A Way Out and then just download the game. Then once you do that, you're gonna be able to play on split screen. So just go ahead and get the game. Then once you get the game downloaded and once it finishes install, just open it and then you're going to be able to play split screen with your friends or family. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.